Wanna know how to change phone number on Facebook? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on these three straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Tap on your name next to your profile picture. Scroll down, tap on Edit Public Details. Scroll down on the bottom, tap on Edit Your About Info. Scroll down, tap on Edit next to Contact Info on the right. First of all, add another phone number before changing one or removing the earlier one. Tap on Add Another Phone or Manage Contact Info. Choose the country code. You can even change it by tapping on Change next to the particular country code and then enter your mobile number. When you're done, tap on Continue on the bottom left. You will get a confirmation code on your phone number. Just wait for it. So I'm going to enter a confirmation code by tapping on Enter Confirmation Code. Tap on Confirmation Code and then enter your code. Tap on Confirm. You can see your phone number has been confirmed and tap on Close on the bottom. So you can go back. Now you can remove the earlier phone number, and for that you can tap on the particular phone number that you want to remove, or you can tap on Manage Contact Info below Add Another Phone. Tap on the particular phone number that you want to remove. Tap on Remove on the bottom left. Tap on this blank section on the left next to I understand I could lose access to my contact. Tap on Remove Number. Tap on this blank section and enter your Facebook password, the current one that you have been using. And then tap on Remove Phone. Just by doing it, you have successfully changed your phone number. This is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.